My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 BMW 1 Series and the Sport Edition. This vehicle was done just under 62,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen we have features such as Apple and Android CarPlay, car, which includes our vehicle status and driver profiles, navigation, contacts and BMW assistance, and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. This vehicle comes with 3 different driver modes to choose from. So we have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.